Hey guys, it's Tyler with the Dauber Stopper Home Care Team. So as spring rolls upon us, we're going to be turning our HVAC units on, and I just want to give you a friendly tip and reminder to check your condensation levels. What we're going to do is I'm actually going to walk in the attic and show you a few things to look for and teach you how to correct those. So if you follow me, we'll go on up. Alright, so we're up in the attic now and we're doing our inspection. First thing I notice is that this drain pan is full of rust, meaning that this drain pan is holding a lot of water. Upon further inspection, I've actually noticed that this unit does not have a float switch either. If you don't know what a float switch is, I'll give you the short and sweet definition of it. A float switch is the device that sits in your drain pan and kills the unit if the water levels rise too high. Reason being is, if the water levels rise too high, they overflow the drain pan, floods the house. This is bad for this homeowner. This is an unprotected area in the attic that's susceptible to flooding. This is what we're doing a check for to prepare them for the summer. Now that I've showed you what to look for, this is something that you can do yourself. When you get home from work today, just pop your head in the attic, take a look at your drain pan, make sure it's not full of rust, full of water, and ensure that you have a float switch to kill your unit in case this does happen. Alright, so now that we've shown you what to look for, we told you what to do, let's go ahead and step outside and see if we can locate this emergency drain line and see if we have the same issue with that running water coming out of it. Alright, so I just left the attic, now I'm looking outside for where this emergency drain line might pop out. Usually 9 out of 10 times it's going to be on the soffit. Oh, and there she is, right there above the window on the second floor. So as you can clearly tell, there is rust all over this drain line, which means that we're having a draining issue, meaning that the primary and secondary is not flowing properly. So what we want to do is get somebody out here to replace the drain pan, add a float switch, and clear those drain lines. Then once we've done that, we can slap a Dauber stopper on it and prevent this from happening in the future. Now that we're done with our outside inspection, until next time, this is Tyler with the Dauber Stopper Home Care Team.